Hi, it's Kirsten and Gertrude here from WTI. If you're a small dog owner like I am, you have got to try these products from Paramount Pet Health. So first of all, I'm talking about the glucosamine. So my dog is 6 years old, she's middle-aged, and she was recently diagnosed with collapsed trachea. So I knew I had to get glucosamine in her diet as soon as possible. I tried so many different options. I even dehydrated cow trachea, but nothing worked as well as this product. So unlike pills or powders, this is a liquid formula, which means it has a superior absorption. And I love the fact that they're human grade ingredients because we take glucosamine, so of course our dogs need it as well. And I wanted the highest quality ingredients in my dog supplements. I love the fact that she loves this so much. I don't have to force her to take it. I don't have to hide it in her food. I put one of these droppers into her food in the morning. I usually make her scrambled egg and she inhales her food. She loves it so much. And I'm so happy knowing that I'm improving her joint and cartilage health every day. As well, we've been trying the omega-3 fish oil. So she's a Shih Tzu, so she has very sensitive skin and she was scratching her skin a lot. But in the 3 weeks since we've been trying these products, I am thrilled to report that she's not scratching anymore. I feel like her coat is healthier and shinier, and I just feel like she has way more energy and she's way happier. So I feel like these are a must-have for any small dog. I feel like you can start taking glucosamine even before they reach middle or older age, just to really strengthen their joint and cartilage health. And for the omega-3 fish oil, it's definitely important to incorporate in your dog's diet no matter what. And I love the fact that the droppers have the measurements on it, so there's no guessing at all, and you can incorporate them right into your dog's kibble, whatever food they eat, and my dog loves it. Your dog will as well, I guarantee it. But that's just my point of view.